In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to resize images using Gemini Nano Banana. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we're on Gemini, on the prompt box, we need to select Tools, then click Create Images. Then on the right, we need to change the model to Gemini Pro. Now we can upload the image we want to resize by clicking the plus icon and clicking Upload Files. I'm going to upload this square image. Now if I want to resize this to an aspect ratio of 16:9, so a rectangle, we can type resize this image to 16:9 aspect ratio, preserve the exact likeness, proportions and colours of the people and objects in the image, ensure the lighting and colour grading of the new areas perfectly match the original. Do not regenerate new details on the existing subjects, then press enter. This is what Nano Banana has come back with. Now here is a side-by-side comparison. As you can see, it has done a great job of expanding the image without altering the people and objects. Now another example, I'm going to ensure I have Create Images and Gemini Pro selected. Then I'm going to upload this 16:9 or rectangle image of a car. Now I want to resize this to a square image, so I'm going to type the same prompt but specify a 1:1 aspect ratio, then press enter. This is what it has come back with. Now here is a side-by-side comparison. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.